Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. The Chris Voss Show. Hey, we got another product to bring you here for review. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, hit that bell notification button so you get all the notifications that are out there, and support the show. Also, be sure to tune into our podcast on iTunes, Google Play, and now Spotify. This is from Zyxel.com. It's the Multi-X AC3000 tri-band Wi-Fi system. Very impressive Wi-Fi system that you can mesh and build out across your whole home. You can buy either one unit or multiple units and spread them out. What's also nice is they have an incredibly well-built and intricate app where you can do a lot of controlling of the systems. Nowadays, I'm impressed with a lot of Wi-Fi systems, but if they don't have a good app, that can be a problem. And these guys do have a great app. If you look at their website, they've actually won several awards for what they built with the thing. This thing gives you basically exceptional Wi-Fi coverage in all the corners of your home. It gives you full Wi-Fi strength as you build these out and spread them around your home with multiple units to give you Wi-Fi without degradation. The multi-Wi-Fi system can cover up to 7,500 square feet. You just keep buying them and expanding them, and away you go. And it helps you with both speed and coverage. It's got a tri-band wireless system that gives you great connection through 5G and 2.4G network between the nodes and everything else. It's got a hassle-free installation. This is one of these newer Wi-Fi systems that I really like. They're very easy to set up. They've got it built in to where the app finds the system, sets it up, and it's just really nice in its application. You're not sitting there and trying to, what sometimes feels like coding stuff with some of the older Wi-Fi systems you probably experienced in the past. This is very easy to use. It's got an easy installation. You can do a speed test internally. It's got parallel controls. You can diagnose your Wi-Fi so you can see what's going on. You can remotely control your Wi-Fi. Stay away from the house. The kids aren't doing the chores. Pull the plug. It's got automatic updates and notifications to let you know what's going on in your house. So that's very, very important in making a difference in this. I was super impressed with the product, and of course they sent us 2 of the units where we can take and do it. It's got a wireless transfer rate of 1733 Mbps for 5G dedicated backhaul, 866 Mbps for 5G, and 400 Mbps for 2.4 gigahertz. It's got daisy chain, bridge mode, MIMO, beamforming, autopass selection, single Wi-Fi name, AP steering, band steering, and optional 2 separate 2.4 and 5G Wi-Fi networks. So great thing there. And with the daisy chain, you can make it so, like I said, you can expand these, buy more units, daisy chain them out, and then you have full coverage of your home or business. I suppose you can use these as a business as well. The quick Bluetooth setup is the thing that I really love. That makes it very easy to set these babies up, get them rolling, and away you go. And you're just going to, I think, be impressed with the service of it. The cost on these is fairly inexpensive. Definitely a great value price for these units, so you can take and do that. They have 9 internal antennas in them, so that they can take and make sure and get you the best range and everything else when it comes down to it. I was super, super impressed with the product, and I'd highly recommend it. Be sure to go to their website at Zyxel and check out the Multi-X AC3000 tri-band Wi-Fi system, and they're good looking too. And what's nice is they kind of have a low, sort of thing where they're not standing up looking gaudy. They can kind of sit on a shelf and look very good and not be these weird things that are sticking out and everything else. So be sure to check them out. I'll see you next time.